This interesting infotainment, some less known facts of humble potato, is continued. This one is part 2b, science, archaeology, history, culture and cuisines. Humble potato has its presence everywhere. Potato can be called a fragile gift from the Andes. Potatoes are not just for eating. Potato peels provide moisture. They also have antibacterial properties that help in healing burn injuries. It's the moisture that helps. The juices in a peel keep the wound moist. Perhaps this helps speed up the healing process. Potato peel has been used as a dressing for chronic wounds. Potato peel dressing has shown promising results curing necrotizing wounds too. Potatoes aren't just for eating. The starch inside can help take the sting out of a sunburn. For a quick soothing solution, simply rub slices of potato along your skin. If it's a fresh and extra painful burn, blend small chunks in a blender until it gets nice and thick. Treat accidental burns using potato peels. Doctors around the world have begun using a once ancient burn treatment, potato peels. In 2006, at Jubilee Hospital in Holland, M.H. Kaswani, MD, discovered the healing powers of boiled potato peels applied to affected areas of skin on acute burn patients. This is attributed to the moisture and antibacterial properties contained in potato peels. Potatoes aren't just for eating. Modern research has shown that potatoes could indeed have a role in blood pressure control. Eaten with little or no salt, potatoes have a beneficial ratio of potassium to sodium, with one medium sized potato providing 400 mg of potassium and just 10 mg of sodium. That is 3 times more potassium than an orange. Potato juice for peptic ulcers to reduce gastric acid, and applying the heated juice topically for rheumatic complaints, joint swelling, skin complaints and hemorrhoids. For the people of Peru and Bolivia, Exomama, also called Ayomama, is the goddess of potatoes in their Inca mythology. She is one of the daughters of Pachamama, the Earth Mother. Potatoes forms a vital part of the food supply of the Inca people, and most villages would have a particularly odd-shaped potato to worship and ask for a good harvest. Potatoes aren't just for eating. Potatoes can be used as printing block. You can cut easily into various shapes, figures, alphabets. But remember, the alphabet should be the mirror image. For example, letter B should be made in such a way that it should look the mirror image of B, as it is shown here. Potatoes aren't just for eating. The Inca people had a goddess of potatoes. Villages would have one particularly odd-shaped potato that would be worshipped in hopes of a bountiful harvest. Look here, we found a potato looks like Ganapati. And how about this teddy bear? Here is wild potato species from the country Mexico, Solanum cardiophyllum, known as Smatli, the heart leaf nightshade. It is found primarily in Mexico. It is also present in some parts of the southwest United States, but was probably introduced. This is one of the few wild potato species that was commonly used as food. The Aztec and the Chichimeca people ate Solanum cardiophyllum and the practice continues in some parts of Mexico even today. Look at the wild potato species, the small potatoes. These infotainment will be continued. Infotainment, as I told you earlier, very interesting word. It means information and entertainment both. This will be continued in the next video. Some less known facts of humble potato, part 3a.